kababayan, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi sa inyo dyan sa ating mga OFW, mga seaman na nagkatrabaho sa ibang bansa o naninirahan sa ibang bansa. Maraming salamat po na patuloy kayong nasa mabuting kalagayan mga kababayan, at sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Good morning sa ating lahat. Medyo malamig sa panahon ngayon mga kababayan. At pag-usapan din po natin mga kababayan itong binuksan ng ating mahal na Pangulo, ang likhang Pinoy mga kababayan. Pakinggan natin sa report sa PTV4 mga kababayan. Kaya kayo mga kababayan, kung kayo po manood at makinig po kayo sa RTBM or sa PTV4, doon nyo po makikita ang lahat ng mga government projects at mga ginagawa ng ating mahal na Pangulo para sa bayan natin mga kababayan.
I am extremely happy to join you all as we celebrate the homecoming for Filipino creativity and craftsmanship. The Excellencies of the Diplomatic Corps, Foreign Affairs Secretary Tess Lazaro, and the members of the Cabinet here today, Pasay City Mayor Imelda Calixto Rubiano, our key partners inside them, DCP, DTI, because they made this day possible. The one really who put this together and made sure that it happened and made sure that it turned out that we got this very fine result in terms of the rehabilitation of the SITEM. First Lady Luis Araneta Marcos. But, of course, the inspiration, the creator, the implementer, the enforcer, who started the entire idea of presenting Philippine crafts and products. I don't want to mention anymore the year because mabibisto kami. But of course, I guess the most suitable description is the creator of SITEM, the First Lady Imelda Romualdez Marcos. If not for you, ma'am, walang ganito. I remember when we opened this. I remember very well, and it was much of the focus then was on garments industry when we started this. But of course, it immediately expanded to all the products that we are trying to export and to interest the rest of the world in. The newly refreshed Likhang Filipino exhibition halls gives our designers, our artisans, entrepreneurs, it gives them a sanctuary to showcase their products. Under one roof, we bring together our finest furniture and lighting, fashion and textiles, home decor, gifts, food products, and all sorts of other crafts. The Likhang Filipino halls will serve as a launchpad for our local manufacturers and exporters, giving them access to buyers, to tourists, and in visiting delegations who seek to discover the range of Filipino excellence. It is also an incubation space that supports product development and packaging services so that our businesses can compete confidently in wider markets. This comes at an opportune time as we prepare for the Philippines ASEAN Chairship in 2026. With the support of Likhang Filipino, we can confidently say that our local products are ready for the region and for the world. That Filipinos do not need to explain the quality of our products before an international audience. Once people see, touch, taste, the craftsmanship speaks for itself. There is nothing but immense pride that comes from recognizing our own. From seeing materials shaped by Filipino hands, ideas rooted in Filipino culture, and designs that feel both familiar and exceptional. To our designers, artisans, entrepreneurs, exporters, and partners, come, make this space your own. I can assure you that this government will support you in your endeavors as you show the world the meaning of Filipino ingenuity through our products.
So ayan mga kababayan, kita natin na pinopromote na naman ang ating mga local products. Katulad nung araw, lalo na po yung Marikina shoes, kung inyo alaala mga kababayan, ay sikat na sikat sa buong mundo ang Marikina shoes because of Imelda Marcos. She's wearing the Marikina shoes wherever she mag foreign visit. Lagi niyang pinagmamalaki ang Marikina shoes at ang ating mga produkto sa Pilipinas, kaya maraming importers ang kumukuha sa ating mga produkto at maraming trabaho ang nakikreate mga kababayan. Kaya ngayon pasalamat tayo kay First Lady Araneta Marcos na patuloy tinutupad ang kanilang pangako na i-promote ang ating mga local products sa mga foreigners, sa mga investors, at makita nila kung gaano ka maganda ka quality ang ating mga ginagawa dito sa Pilipinas mga kababayan. Kaya maraming salamat kay First Lady Araneta Marcos na patuloy din ginagampanan at tinutuloy ang proyekto ni Madam Imelda Marcos, di ba mga kababayan? Nung araw pa ay nakikita natin pati ang ating mga cultural dance, kung ano-ano. May mga palabas dyan sa Manila Amphitheater, kung hindi dyan sa PICC, kung hindi dyan sa Cultural Center, sa CCP mga kababayan. Kaya nung araw ay sikat na sikat ang ating mga local products because of First Imelda Marcos, na siya mismo ang gumaganap, siya mismo ang model. Kaya maraming salamat Madam Imelda Marcos na tumaas ang ating maraming mga foreigner, maraming mga bansa na inaangat mo ang ating bayan. Kaya maraming salamat din sa ating First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos na ginagawa din ang inyong ginagawa. So maraming salamat sa ating mahal na Pangulo na patuloy na nagsusuporta mga kababayan sa ating mga local products. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo, sa inyong pamumuno. O siya, sige, dito na lang tayo. God bless us all mga kababayan. Please comment down below. God bless us all. Bye bye.